It's a program that offers physical therapists the opportunity to further their career.
I think it's important because Lee Health, part of the values is excellence, and it elevates the level of care.
The Orthopedic Specialist Residency Program is a 13-month-long training that puts therapists on the fast track to becoming orthopedic board certified specialists.
When developing our program, we did review a lot of the local and even national residency programs, and some of the things that makes our program unique is that during the residency program, the resident is side by side with their mentor, and not only is it one mentor, but we have 3 to 5 mentors that they gain experience from.
The program focuses on providing therapists with hands-on training, mentorship, and education.
Well, I believe that most physical therapists come into this profession because they have a strong desire to help people. And this is just another component of trying to not just help patients, but help other people help patients.
Residents rotate to 3 different Lee Health facilities to learn from a variety of orthopedic therapists, helping therapists expand their clinical knowledge to give patients the best possible care. For Lee Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.